Okay folks, all me retro people out there, this is not one of my normal type of videos, usually exploring videos or silly TikToks and stuff, but has anybody had a Japanese Sega Saturn and you've accidentally plugged an English power lead into the back, not realising that we're a lot more powerful wattage or whatever it is? You have to bear with me on this. I saw another video with the same problem and I did all sorts to try and get this Japanese Sega Saturn to work, which I was given to by a friend, and didn't realise he actually gave me the right leads for it, but I didn't see them. So I plugged this in. As soon as I turned the power on, it just went pop, and I thought, oh dear, smelt a little bit of burning. I thought, what the hell's happened? So I opened it all up and I blew a fuse. So all the messing around trying to get one of these, and get one of these, and get one of these, and then buying more fuses, it just kept fingering the fuse. So I've already taken the screws out. There's 5 screws and they're pretty easy to come out, just 5 screws. So mine's already taken apart because of all the messing I did when I blew the bloody fuse. So this is the inside and this is the fuse here that I've tried replacing. Every time I plug the power lead in, even with the adapter it needs, it just kept blowing the fuse. So YouTubed it to death to find out if anyone else has had the same problem, and someone had. They put me in contact, or they put a thing in the description by these Robot Retro. Now they do all sorts of power mods for Dreamcast, Saturns, GameCubes. You can do it yourself. So I'm gonna have a go and pray. Oh, there's the extra bit there. Pray I can do it because it only takes 10 minutes. Couple of screws. Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt. Right, so you have to bear with me a minute. So I have to take out these 2 screws either side, and this should just come off. Unclip this bit here, needs a bit of a clean in here. Unclip this bit here, and that screw there. So let's give it a go. I was really upset when I realised the mistake the minute I put the power on, and it just went pop. I was like, oh dear. So you have to bear with me a minute while I unscrew these. And also, with the new power board from, I keep forgetting the name, Robot Retro, it mods it so it uses USB type C, which I will show you in a minute. So you can use any like charge from USB plug. So I'll take this out. So just bear with me guys, because first time I'm doing this. If anyone else is having this type of trouble, Robot Retro. Ooh. Ooh, to get in this nice little sticker. Robot Retro. Hey. Hopefully this works. As you can see, it changes the normal one of these into one of these. So hopefully it'll just be a straight swap. Keep looking over there. Camera's over there. Hopefully it'll just be a straight swap. And they also come with multi-range of colours. So depending on what colour your saturn is, couldn't really get them for my colour. So I got a green. So when it goes on, it goes through there. You plug it in. Those are all range of colours. Come with one, a black one, standard. So I don't know which one to use. I'll see once I finally get this board on. Right, so taking them off there. Don't use the screws for them. Right. Take that screw out there. I know you can't see what I'm doing, so just bear with me. Just lost them back. So hopefully it should just come out. I'll clip off that. I've got to remember this has been clipped in here for a long time. How do you unclip that? Oh, yeah. Put it here. Forward. I'll just put this down here so you can't see. So just unclip this because it's still attached. I'm trying to just yank it out. Impatient, you see, because of all the messing I've had and money I've spent on wires and leads. There we go. That should just pop out there. Ah, there we go. Ta-da! Gone. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? It's broke, or it's broke anyway if I don't get this to fix. So excuse my babbling. Right, so put that straight fit in. Like that. Should just clip onto there. There we go. Clip. Clippity clip. See what I mean by the back here? And just hope this fits across there. And then this should just clip into here. Oh, get in there. Please work. The amount of trouble I've gone through for this. Please work. Ah, clips in there. So they clip facing inwards but it clips in going that way. As you can see, it all lines up. This bit clips into these little pins underneath, so just be careful you don't snap them. Okay. Very impatient man. That's what got me into this mess. So there's a gold screw. Screw that back in. If this works, I will be happy, because I was given a lot of Japanese Saturn games with this console and I'd love to just try them out. Probably wrong thing to do there, blowing on the lens. Right, now so what colour do you think would be better? There you go, that lens is going that way. Black or the green? I'd have to say. So when you put these on, clumsy clums. So when you put this on, you slide it. I've just noticed from the front over. Or am I just talking out of my backside?
10 years later.
Let's give that one a try. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. I just didn't want it to damage the circuit board. So it's taken a bit of a while, guys. I've never done this before, as you can tell. Do 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 do. So before I even screw the lid back on, obviously I'm going to give it a try first. I don't even know why I'm screwing this on first, to be honest. Oh God, I think that was it. I think that's it, guys. Oh God. Okay. Nervous. So hopefully no more of these leads. Okay, let's just put the case back on the top. So that's plugged in there. That's in there, that's screwed in there. Okay, that's on there. Okay, lid. Lid back on. Okay. Now, to see if this works. If it does, you guys know what to do if you have the same problem. Oh God, please work. Please give me power. Let's make sure it's not. That was already on. Okay. Oh guys, let's just hope. Let's just hope and pray. Hope and pray. The amount of crap I've gone through to get this to work. Right, let's see if we get some sort of lift off. Just put the telly on. Boom. Okay. Please. Are we ready? I have nothing. Oh no! What's going on here? I have nothing. What am I missing? Just give me a sec, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, tried all different types of Type C's, like these, and they just weren't working. No power was coming on. But I managed to, eventually, it's taken me a long time to be honest, trying all different charges and stuff to try and get this to work. But I got this laptop which has a Type C power pack. Let's see if I can get it into view. So, one like this, plug into the back, Type C, like this, Type C. So, just to show you, into the back. Seemed to need a bit more power than what a mobile charger. So I plugged this in, and lo and behold, I weren't expecting to get any charge or any power. So I'm kind of glad I tried that. Let me just like that. Okay. Ooh, I don't know if you can see. Can you see? I'm trying to. I can't really see if you can see. See the light? I have power. Don't know if you can see that, guys, but I have power from using that. Let me see if I can find it on here. There we go. Oh, let me just turn the camera out. There we go. We have power, guys. Yes. Finally figured it out. So, we have this problem. We have too much power, blowing the fuse, blowing your board. There's the old one. Knackered. You can actually see just in there, it's all burnt out. Next to the fuse, that's a new fuse. I put about 3 fuses in, just kept burning them out. So, happy. So, shout out to Robot Retro. Looks backwards on there. Robot Retro. Shout out. Thank you very much, guys. I'm a happy bunny now. Hope this helps. I know the video is a bit long, but needs be, because I struggled and I looked everywhere. All YouTube, nowhere had Japanese Saturn ones, just all English ones, how to sort them out. Well, yeah, I made the mistake of plug in an English one into a Japanese one, blew me fuse. Robot Retro, they had all the gadgets there for it, and they do like Dreamcast and all different ones, GameCubes to mod to Type C, so it's all good, guys. And you even get different coloured these. So thanks for watching Neon Viking, and I'll catch you on another adventure. Woohoo! Yes, don't forget to like and subscribe.